Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite a disappointing day, and I emphasize the word day because the overall chart is still perfectly fine. It's still sitting well above where it was just a few days ago. But the reason why I say disappointing day is when you stop and think about the fact at one point the price gapped up and the price actually ran all the way up to that area right there. The problem is after that it was basically all selling pressure the rest of the day, and back down the price drifted the remainder of the day. So again, looking at today just as one day, yeah, a pretty bearish day. But taking a step back and look at multiple days, everything is still perfectly fine. You know, there's still plenty of opportunities to build a higher base, which is what brings about the first key level of support. Then I'm not going to call it do or die level, but definitely a very preferable level right here at 25.50. Because I mean, if you stop and think about it, if the price were to come down to 25.50, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards. I mean, what would you still have from the bigger picture point of view? You'd still have a set of lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, big picture-wise, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined right up there around that green line at that area. Now, if that level does not quite hold up, next key area of support after that point would then be down here at, let's see, what is that? 23.50. Now, if the price crashes down through 23.50, at that point, yeah, things would start to look a lot more shaky at that point. But I'm not saying at all that's what's going to happen. But those are going to be the two areas of resistance, or excuse me, support. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if there is any sort of movement back to the upside, in my mind, the first key level that's going to really be important is right up there at that $29 mark. So keep a close eye on 29, and we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.